10. Mind-blowing facts about the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way Galaxy, our cosmic home, is full of mysteries and fascinating secrets. Scientists have uncovered incredible facts that will blow your mind. In this video, we'll explore 10 unbelievable facts about the Milky Way that will change the way you see our universe. Let's dive in. The Milky Way's gigantic size. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy with a diameter of over 100,000 light-years. It contains between 100 to 400 billion stars, including our Sun. If you could travel at the speed of light, it would still take you 100,000 years to go from one end to the other. The galaxy is spinning at an incredible speed. Our entire Milky Way is rotating at an astonishing speed of 828,000 km, 514,000 km. Despite this, it takes around 225 to 250 million years for the Sun to complete just one orbit around the galaxy's center. The last time our solar system was in this position, dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Most of the Milky Way is invisible. Only 10% of the Milky Way's mass is visible. The remaining 90% is made of dark matter, which scientists still don't fully understand. Dark matter doesn't emit light, but its gravitational pull shapes the galaxy. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern astrophysics. A supermassive black hole lies at the center. At the heart of our galaxy lies a monstrous black hole called Sagittarius A. This black hole is 4 million times heavier than the Sun and has a gravitational pull so strong that even light can't escape. The Milky Way has cosmic neighbors. Our galaxy isn't alone. It's part of a collection of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes over 50 galaxies, such as the Andromeda Galaxy and the Magellanic Clouds. The Andromeda Galaxy is actually moving toward us, setting up a future cosmic collision. A galactic collision is coming. In about 4.5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide to form a giant supergalaxy called Milkomeda. This event will dramatically change the night sky, creating a spectacular display of new stars. But don't worry, our solar system is unlikely to be affected directly. Birthplace of stars. The Milky Way contains giant nebulae, huge clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born. One of the most famous ones is the Orion Nebula, which is visible even with small telescopes. Some stars are being ejected from the galaxy. Scientists have discovered hypervelocity stars that are moving so fast they are escaping the Milky Way forever. These stars are likely flung out by the gravitational pull of the central black hole. The Milky Way emits strange radio signals. Mysterious radio waves are coming from the center of the Milky Way. Scientists believe these signals might be from pulsars, magnetars, or even unknown cosmic phenomena. Could these be signals from extraterrestrial life? The mystery remains unsolved. Could the Milky Way harbor alien life? Scientists estimate that the Milky Way has at least 40 billion Earth-like planets that could potentially support life. With such vast numbers, the possibility of alien civilizations existing somewhere in our galaxy is high. But the question remains, are we alone? So, the Milky Way Galaxy is a place of wonders, mysteries, and epic cosmic events. Which fact amazed you the most? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share,